Hello children, this is your Swarnima teacher from Toddledom School. Welcome to our new session. So children, today in this new session, we are going to learn new topic. So what is that? Let me ask you, when teacher teaches you something or your parents tell you something, what you all do? You all listen to it carefully, correct? So, when you listen the things carefully and you use your imagination, you think on that topic, then the things become clear to you all, isn't it? So children, what is that called? It is called concept. When the concept is clear in the mind, the things become very clear, isn't it? So, when anybody tells you anything, the point should be clear. That is called concept. When concept is clear, we can do our work easily. So today, our topic is concept, and I am going to teach you different concept. Today, we are going to conduct one concept with different examples. So let us switch and let's see the concept with their examples. And after that, we are going to draw it in our M1 book. So let's start. Let's start the concept topic. Now children, you have to remove your M1 book, and in the notebook itself, teacher is going to teach you draw the concept. So first you have to write the heading, that is CONCEPT, concept. And let us draw our first picture. So draw back curve, then draw front curve, and from the top leave some space and draw jumping line like this. This curve will end here and this will be our tree. So in the center you have to make branch like this. So have you seen trees, children? Mango tree, guava tree, papaya tree are all tall in height, isn't it? They are tall in height. And let us draw the other tree. So for that you have to draw big triangle, then from the center draw second triangle which will be smaller than the top one. Then draw the third triangle which is smaller than the second triangle. Now draw standing line and sleeping line. So which tree is this? This is Christmas tree. So children, can you see the difference? The tree which is looking like mango tree is tall in height. So you have to write there TALL, tall. And for Christmas tree you have to write SHORT, short. Now let's switch to one more example. So on the line you have to make sleeping line, and parallel to that one more sleeping line. Now join it with standing line. Then make from one point you have to make slanting line, and in between make it dark. Yes, it's a pencil. And in center you can draw sleeping line like this. Now let us draw one more thing and then we will identify the difference. So for that you have to make small sleeping line, standing line, and sleeping line. And in center we are going to write ERASER. So when you make any mistake, what you use? Yes, we use eraser. So can you see the difference? Pencil is tall in height. Yes. So we are going to write TALL, tall. And eraser is short in height. So write the spelling SHORT, short. So children, this was our math session with concept topic. So you have learned the concept of tall and short. Correct? So you can practice the same concept with different examples at home. We'll meet soon in the next session with different concept. Till then, take care of your health and have a good day. Bye-bye.